on your view. Open this. Yes, sir. Only to let you know the people who came today, we are all working. We'll be discussing installation rate. People who are not done right, only doing just under it. Now, still was your server on, sir? On, you should get it running then, I think. Your server is on, right? Yes. No. Right, creating server, it should not installed. Any other required app, let me know, sir, please. All server got on, please let me know. Then lift your answer. All server got on. Okay. Who are having an issue? People who are already done. Who are already having issue? Who are who not came? Should I came, sir? No need to install again. You can install it. Any other required answers apart from? Oh, then we'll start. No need to worry. First we'll start. Today onwards you are going to record the class, sir. Only one person who is Abhishek TR. Anyone? Okay. Only one person joined, sir. Today onwards, at least I require you people to join, at least 2 to 3 people. Everyone got a Skype link in WhatsApp. WhatsApp they created Skype link, sir. They sent you the Skype link. At least 2 to 3 persons should join the call. From tomorrow onwards. If possible, no also anyone can try. You got the Skype link, at least tomorrow it's okay. Tomorrow it's okay. Only one person is there in the call now. If he got disconnected, why I am telling 2 to 3 people means if only one person has joined the call, sir. If he got disconnected due to internet issue, recording will stop. That's right. At least 2 to 3 people should join. I'll make a today only who are the regularly joining. Sir, you can join. What's your name? Regular who is Bhupati? Tomorrow you are going to join. You are Varun, right? Karthik. You and Karthik going to join. You can join. Wait, not now. 4 people join. Everyone no need to. Not required to join everyone, sir. Everyone able to download the video, but no need to join everyone. 2 to 3 people is enough. Everyone has a Skype access. Everyone is able to download the video. Why I am telling 2 to 3 people means if one person one person internet issue got disconnected, the recording will stop. So better at least 3 to 4 people or 2 to 3 people minimum is required. Alright, now we'll start the topic. Don't what's the issue? Later. First we'll start the topic. People who not came yesterday, after the class we going to everyone. Okay, not now. Today we'll start the topic. Now first point. Everyone power on everyone got the terminal, I believe. People who not got the terminal, I'm going to tell you once again, you'll be getting like this. Yes, sir. Once you power on, you need to right click anywhere. You'll get an option called as a open in terminal. Yes or no? Click on directly open it. I'm going to increase the font size. You people no need to do. You people no need to increase the font size, sir. For your visibility, I'm increasing. Okay. Done? Hearing on terminal. Then lift your hand, sir. Please. I want the confirmation. Only this many people. Yeah. 69, sir. That's the thing. Okay. Everyone got terminal this thing? Super. Now we'll start with the points, one by one. First point. How to verify our OS is a Linux OS or not? What the command we used yesterday, people who remember? Uname. Uname is the command to verify whether my server is a Linux server or not. Uname is a command to verify whether my server is a Linux. People have issue, don't discuss with others now. After the class, I'm going to sit with you. People have installation issue. Correct? Kindly concentrate here. Kindly concentrate here. Yes, sir. Okay. Uname is a command to verify which OS you're using. Whether it's a Linux, whether it's a Ubuntu, whether it's a CentOS, whether it's a Mac, everything going to display. Correct? Uname is a command to identify which OS you're using. Next, sir. Which is the important components in laptops? To perform what are the important things you require? How the, okay, not laptop component. I'm telling about how the operation work in laptop. Normal computer operation. Keyboard, use and enter. Keyboard is input. Keyboard to CPU. CPU process completely, then display the monitor. Yes or no? Yes. Your CPU is considered the heart of your computer. Yes or no? Yes. Correct? Same thing in Linux, what will happen? Linux kernel will come. In normal Windows operation, keyboard to CPU, CPU to monitor. Linux extra two component will come, sir. That is shell and kernel. That is shell and kernel. User will enter the input. What the user enter, right? Shell will take the user input. Shell will take the user input. Shell will pass to the kernel. Kernel will perform all the operation. Then CPU come into picture for faster processing. Then displays the output. I repeat once again. In Windows, keyboard to CPU, CPU to monitor. In Linux, user enter the input. Shell will take the user input. Shell will pass to kernel. Here, complete CPU operation done in Windows, right? Here is done by the kernel. We can tell the kernel as the heart. Correct? Kernel will perform all the operations, then CPU will come into picture for faster processing, then displays the output. Understand my point? Yes or no? Yes. That's sir. Okay. In production, sir, we don't have antivirus, I told you. In Linux doesn't require antivirus, I told, sir. Correct? So we need to keep our kernel updated every time. We need to keep the kernel updated every time. It's not required to kernel to update every time like as we do for antivirus. Whenever any new releases, any new thing, update the mobile, when a new update, when a new releases is there, at that time we need to update. In production right now, updated kernel version is 5.0. But all the kernel functionality are the same. Correct? How to know which kernel version I'm using? Completely. If you do here uname space -a, it will show completely. Do uname space -a, sir. Uname space -a. I'll explain. Type the command. Everyone should do execute the command with me only, sir. Everyone should do practical. Anyone required help, sir, please call me. Who all already having a server? Who having an issue? For them I'll help you. People who have the server, please execute the command with me only. Everyone should do practical only. Correct, sir? In Linux birthday, sir, this is a uname command output. Here you will be getting as a local host local domain. Yes or no? Yes. Here second column. Local host local domain is getting right? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Oh, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is your server name. Here also you will be getting local host local domain only. In your laptop, in your server. Yes, sir? Yes, sir. I already named my server as a Praveen Technology, so it's coming. For you people, it's a new server. We are not named your server till. So you are getting local host local domain. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Correct. Now, if you have an entry of x86_64, if you have an entry of x86_64, that server is a 64-bit server. Whether 64-bit processor, 32-bit processor. Correct, right? You may be heard about when you buying the purchasing mobile, you may be heard about the word in the configuration 32-bit, 64-bit processor. When you searching in the mobile, Amazon, anywhere, it shows the description mobile, processor details of the mobile. 64-bit or 32-bit. If you have an entry of x86_64, that is a 64-bit server. Correct? If you have instead of x86 64, if you have i386 or i686, then server is a 32 bit. I repeat once again. If you have an entry of x86 and 64, it's a 64-bit server. If you have i386 or i686, then it is a 32-bit. In production, we are going to use 64-bit only. How to identify? I am telling you. Kernel version I told you. Kernel I told you. This is the kernel version. This is the kernel version of the server. This right now update a kernel version 5.0. Whenever any new releases happen, we are going to update it. Understand my point, sir? I repeat once again. Uname command will show the OS. OS, whether it's a Unix, Linux, Ubuntu, CentOS, Fedora, Mac, everything shows. Uname-A will show complete details. This is the OS name, Linux, this is the server name, computer name, server name, host name, what are the things you want to tell. You are getting a local domain. This is the kernel version. Correct, sir? This is to identify the server is 64-bit or 32-bit. Understand my point, sir? Correct? Now I am concerned about, I don't want to display uname for all details, complete details. I want to display only the kernel version. Uname R for, it display only the kernel version. Uname R will show only the kernel version. Uname M will show whether my server is a 64-bit or 32-bit. Uname A for all, Uname R for kernel version, Uname M will show whether my server is a 64-bit server or 32-bit server. Uname A will show all, Uname will show the OS, Uname R show the kernel version, Uname M will show 64-bit or 32-bit. Yes? No? Got my point, sir? Now, yesterday we discussed about the top command also. How to verify what are the processes in my Linux server? How to verify? Any doubt, sir? Should I click the command correctly, sir? You name. Take cursor here, right? Cursor correctly. Observe now. I would like to, what are the processes in my Linux server? Yesterday we discussed about Windows also. What are the application CPU process? Again we going to discuss. Then we going to discuss about what the top command in the Linux. Please concentrate. Yes, sir. First I'll show for the Windows. Please observe here. Don't do. You don't need to do open the Windows taskbar and all. I'm going to show you. I'll open my Windows Task Manager. I'm going to show you. Just observe it. Then I'm going to compare with the Linux. Let it open. I'll click on the more details. Sorry. This is all the application name which I opened in my laptop now. Notepad, Google Chrome, SSH, PyCharm, Skype, everything I opened. This is application. Any application it open in mobile, laptop, Mac, server, whatever, any application which you open, it consumes CPU and memory. Yes or no? If mobile also you open YouTube, Instagram, whatever thing you open in your mobile, laptop, server, it consumes CPU and memory until you close it. Until you close it, it consumes CPU and memory 100%. Yes or no, sir? Correct? ಅದೇ ತರ ಆಯ್ತು. Google Chrome ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. CPU, memory, how much? Notepad, how much it consumes showing, sir? Correct? You want to know in more details. At the time I go and click on here details. You will getting more detail. You getting in the bit by bit detail. This I need to. Any application open in a mobile, laptop, server, wherever it's a. When you open an application, right? OS, you can Windows OS, you can Linux OS, whatever OS is. OS is assigning one unique ID to that particular process or application. I repeat once again. When I open any application, right? OS, you can Windows OS, Linux OS, your mobile OS, whatever it can be. OS will assign one unique ID to that particular application or process is called as a process ID, PID. PD enta idea illi? Yes or no? Correct? Here I got only the details of the process only, sir. Here you get in depth. In depth you get. Correct? Whenever you open any application, OS, you can Windows OS, Linux OS, Mac OS, Ubuntu, whatever it is, OS will assign one unique ID to the particular application called as a process ID. It's called as a PID. Understand my point, sir? Correct, sir? This also it shows who is running that process. Name of the process, name of the owner of the process. One server can use multiple users, 60,000 users I told. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರವೀಣ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇದು. Correct? Server only 60,000 user can use, different username will come here. CPU consumption show what is consumed, memory consumption. Here name of the process. Here name of the process, here ID of the process. Getting my point, sir? Here details, here name actually. Sorry. These are name, these are details of the process. Understand my point? Same detail I am going to show in the Linux. Same details we go to show in the Linux by using command called top. Yesterday we use it. It can keep on updating for every 1 second. Yes or no, sir? Yes. Today we are going to execute that. Here and execute the command top, sir. TOP kodi. TOP. Done? Super. Now. Here also getting process ID. Process ID you getting? Username. Capital S for sleeping processor. Capital R running. It keep on changing. Capital R came now. Capital R for running. Capital S for sleeping. CPU consumption. Memory consumption. Time when processor got started. That is the process name. What the task manager will show in Windows, right? Same thing in Linux is going to come by top command. Process ID, username, who is the owner of that process. Correct, sir? CPU consumption, memory consumption, the state of the process, sleeping or running. Here also will be getting, sir, sleeping and running. 1 second. Running in the item. Correct, sir? Here also will be getting the same. Stop. Sir, please be on time, sir, please. Done? Process ID, username who is owning the process, state of the process, sleeping or running, CPU consumption, memory consumption. These 3 details you will come to know in future, sir. Don't worry right now. Right now, don't worry, future will come to know. And as you observe, you can observe here. As you can observe here, it keep on updating for every 1 second. It keep on updating for every 1 interval, sir. Task manager update ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. If you open task manager here, you are not updated. That much update happening here. It update for 60 seconds. Windows task manager update for 60 seconds. Linux will update for every 1 second. Every 1 interval keep on changing. Got my point, sir? If you want to come out of task manager, top command, you need to press Ctrl C. Uname command kottaga automatically it is coming out, but it won't come out automatically, sir. It's a live report, sir. It will keep on updating. To come out of this top command, we need to press Ctrl C. Ctrl C, madi, sir. Ctrl C. Ctrl C. It came out now. It came out or not? Yes, sir. This is a forcible exit we done. Forcible come out. It didn't come out automatically. Our command didn't come out. We done forcible. Yes or no? No, I don't want to do like that, sir. I want to inform Linux command. You should only automatically come out after 2 seconds. How to do that one? I do. Sir. Top command is a live report. It will keep on updating. If you want to come out, you have to Ctrl C for forcible termination. But I don't want to do like that, sir. I want to inform Linux. You should only automatically come out after 2 seconds. How to do that one? We'll see. Clear, sir? That I'm going to do. Top is the command. -B for interval. B for interval. N for number of seconds. After how many seconds it should come? I'm informing Linux command to. You should automatically, please observe. 1 second. After a second. You should automatically come out after 2 seconds. Top -B for interval. N for number of seconds. Observe here now. 1 second. 1 second ಆಯ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ 2 second ಆಯ್ತು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅದೇ ತರ N3 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ after 3 second going to come out. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second. ಏನ್ ಸರ್? ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಂಡೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Getting my point, sir? In this case, I need to do forcible exit. Forcible exit, Control C. Now we try with this command, any command. If you want to come out after 1 minute, 60 seconds. It's coming in second only, not in minute. If you want to come out of 1 minute, 60 seconds. If you want to come out of 5 minutes, 300 seconds. Get right. Getting? Here you please. How many people in the army? You. Okay. Oh. Very sure or not? You should install the login computer. Yes or no? Again. That one. Is that working? Correct? You should know this. Abdana. If you remember the server menu, other two which is not working, other three, delete it. I'll help you out. Abdana, come back. Ready, sir? No. Top command we came to know. What are process? How to exit, automatic exit also we came to know. Now we'll discuss about the memory details. Before memory details, let's discuss about the how to know currently at a time 60,000 users can log into Linux server right now. How to know currently how many users are using my server? We discuss the command who command. Who command will show currently logged in user right now. How many users are to make a familiarize with you? Facebook you had 100 friends. That is how many friends you have. But right now how many friends are online? Green tick will come, sir. That is who command. Who command right now in this moment. How many users are using my server? How many users are using my server? That is it. Correct? All you people, I am only one user only. I have a lot of users. I can show multiple users, but you have only one user. I will tell you how you can check also. Right? Please observe. Who command? It's all the you will be getting only 2 entry, I think. So type who command. 2 or 3 you will be getting. Yes, sir. So you can see my entry June 11, June 19, everything is there. This all the user I already have. You won't have that users. This all the user I have created. This we are going to discuss in the user how to create a user and all. We are going to discuss in the user administration topic. Getting my point, sir? To show you demo, I am going to log in another user, another one, sir, another user. Please observe. I am going to show you. Please observe, please. I am going to log in as another user. I am going to log in as a Santosh. You can observe, sir, yeah. Santosh is not there here now. Santosh is not there, sir. I already have a user Santosh. I am going to log in that user from outside as a Santosh. You can log in from outside also. This is going to use after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, everyone going to log in from outside only. I logged in Santosh, sir. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಓಕೆ ರೂಟ್ ಸರ್ ಲೈವ್ Yes or no? Correct, sir? Understanding my point or not? Correct. I'm going to log in another user also. You don't have other user, sir. You can't do it right now. Let me log in as Ajay. This is all the user I have created, which I already having. Now I'll go here. I'll exit who command, sir. Ajay came, sir. Correct? Now I'll exit, log out. Log out Ajay. Exit is for log out. Now, previously Ajay was showing now. Again I'll execute who command. Ajay should not show. Super. Good, sir. Who command will show right now in this moment how many users are using my server. Got my point? Yes or no? No. For you people don't have any other user. One demo. One thing what we can do is minimize the screen. Minimize the terminal. Minimize the terminal, sir. Again right click. Again open in new terminal. Again right click open in new terminal again. ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಓಪನ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಸರ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಹೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಈಗ execute who command you will be getting previously maybe 2 now you will be getting +1 yes or no previously you are getting 2 now you are getting 3 previously you had 3 now you are getting 4 previously you had 4 now you are getting 5 one extra terminal since you don't have any other user this is the only option how you can test it yes no understood sir okay. Everyone clear right no doubt sure everyone executing I'm not hearing what anything boys breakfast not had breakfast no even if not had also take your have it. That's the who command which are currently how many right now how many users are using but I want to know the currently logged in username as a which user I logged in right now in this session who am I that will use the command who am I will show the for me it's root sir for you people it's showing by your username only for me it's showing root you people will getting by your own username yes or no sir correct to show I'll show by other username also here I have the Santosh same command if I execute here who am I it shows Santosh it is show as a, in this session as a which user you logged in this particular who command ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ how many users are using my server right now who am I in this session as a which user you logged in that will be understand my point yes no clear sir now I would like to tell you I'll go back to this one I'll tell you okay in Windows sir when I try to install any software you'll get a pop-up allow administrator to make changes to your computer VLC VMware workstation player install ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಒಂದು pop-up ಬಂತು sir allow administrator to make changes to your computer yes or no in Windows administrator is the owner of your laptop administrator is the first user getting created during the OS installation of the Windows server or Windows OS I repeat once again when a Windows OS getting installed administrator is the first user getting created during OS installation administrator we can consider as the owner of the Windows laptop or Windows server itself correct as it is in Linux sir root user administrator user ಹೆಂಗೋ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ root user is the first user getting created during OS installation of the Linux install Linux I can tell as a Unix all 14 OS getting my point sir that is the root user you are able to see root here right now you people logged in as a normal user correct how to try switch user from normal user to root user administrator since your own laptop own server we can switch the production root access won't get immediately very critical the owner you can destroy the server itself root is the owner the Linux server now how to change from normal user to root user to normal user everything will discuss right now I am logged in directly as a root so it's coming like this let me also log in as a normal user then we'll try with your actions clear sir let me do it you people don't need to do this thing you people don't need to do don't do it sir I log in as a normal Abhi okay This is also normal user, as it is your name. My name is Praveen only, but I have normal user, Abhi. Clear, sir? How to switch user from Abhi to root user? Root user, the first user getting created during OS installation. Root user having complete right to perform any operation on the Linux server without anyone's permission. Getting my point, sir? Now, how to change from root login from normal user session to root session? SU is the command, sir. Switch user. Full form of SU is switch user. I want to switch user to root. It asks for password, the same password only. What you give your name password, right? Same password only. But it won't show what the password you enter. Do it, sir. SU space root. Password enter the password, but it won't show the password. What you enter. Give enter. Done, sir? Correct. Now try whoami. You will be getting root. Now try whoami. You will be getting root. Verify. You will be getting root. Password it won't show. That's the thing. Linux is secure. At least in Windows, you will get dot. Check there, madam. Not able to see. Correct? Who am I? Will show as a which user currently logged in. Everyone done, sir? Everyone got root? Everyone got root? SU space root, same password. What is username password is there, right? Same password. Correct, but password won't show. After login, switch user to who am I? Do who am I? It will show. Yes or no? Previously you're getting your name. Now you're getting root. Right. Now again I want to go back to my own username only. Again I want to go back to my own username, your username only. Alright, this is the administrator user. Now we log in the powerful user, he has a complete right on the server. Alright. Again I want to go back to SU space Abhi. What is name username? SU space Abhi. It won't ask for passwords now. SU space in your own username. It's not asking for password. Yes or no? Why? Because he's the owner of the server. You are just a normal user. Root can log into any user without anyone's password. But e user in the root password kelutte. But when you try to switch user to root, it asks for password. Understand point, sir? Root can log into any user without password. But one user to another user, one normal user to another normal user, one normal user to root user, it has password. Because you are just a user. Root is the owner of the server. Got my point? Yes? No. Understand my point, sir? From to now onwards, every time, whenever you log in or anytime, sir, try to perform the operation as only as a root. You can directly log in as a root also. When you log in from trade, you will get your own username. Other ಅಂತ option ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You can click there other, log in directly to root also. Otherwise, you can log in by your own username, switch user to root. These two operations from now onwards. Okay, tomorrow onwards, it will log in like that. Enter again log in as a root. Log in as a root. SU space root. Recording right. Clear? Now. Done, sir? Good. Now, how to know the memory details of my server? How to know the memory details of my server? How to know your RAM details in your laptop, sir? How to know RAM details of your laptop? What you know, you can answer wrong, right? Doesn't matter in my class. Please be open. Yes, sir, my computer properties or control panel, hardware and features also will work. Or computer information. Yes, sir. As it is in Linux, we're going to use the command called say free. We're going to use the command called say free command will show the memory details of your server. These are total RAM. These are user RAM. These are free RAM. It's showing in kilobytes. It's showing in kilobytes. These are total RAM. User RAM, free RAM. Got my point, sir? Understood? Yes or no? If you want to display in megabytes, free-m. Show in megabytes. If you want to display in gigabytes, free-g. Yes, sir. Free command will show in kilobytes. Free-m will show in megabytes. Free-g will show in gigabytes. Is the total RAM? Used RAM? Free RAM. Yes or no, sir? Understanding my point? Getting, sir? Now, what is this fact? This I will need to explain you this guys in detail. I want to explain. Please understand. What is the normal meaning of star? Switch. Correct? Here also same meaning. Let me take you one example. Stack memory. Nowadays, everyone recently completed IPL. IPL got completed recently. Okay. Now, let me have one condition. Okay. Here are a lot of people are opening your Facebook, Twitter, everything. Correct? Can you tell Facebook will consume this much memory only? Twitter should consume this much only. Right now, how much consuming you know. But in future also it will consume this much only. Are you able to analyze? Yes or no? It depends upon the usage. In my mobile, Facebook is consuming more because I am using Facebook more. For Karthik mobile, he is using Instagram more. For Instagram is more. This mobile, YouTube is using, so YouTube is consuming more. We can't analyze which application consume more, which application consume less. It depends upon the usage. Whenever any application open, it automatically starts consuming the CPU and memory. Yes or no, sir? How's that one? True, right? Now I'll tell you one thing. Let me take it now. Other now, come back. Other no, come back. Now, IPL was complete. Previously it was working on Hotstar TV. Nowadays it's a Geo Cinema, right? No. Think like Geo Cinema, Geo TV. Channel having 20 GB of the RAM before launch of the IPL. Before starting of the IPL, I'm telling. Before start of IPL, 20 GB was allocated. This 20 GB was more than enough at the time. Because normally before start of IPL, normally there is a web series and serials. Not everyone will watch. Yes or no, sir? Yes, sir. Correct? Only web series, serial will be there. Not everyone continuously won't watch. Yes or no? So 20 GB is more than enough at the time. IPL got started. Correct? Throughout the world, everyone will watch. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? Correct? Someone mistakenly launched IPL also by using only with 20 GB only. Geo TV is the only under Geo TV only everything will come, sir. Web series, everything. Correct? That was at the time it was enough. But IPL also they started launched it with a normal process, but IPL will consume more, sir. If you open lot of application mobile, it becomes slow fast. Correct? IPL throughout more number of users, sir, throughout the world. Everyone is watching, sir. Yes or no? But if you take a recent match, CSK in Bangalore, till last ball fighting was there. Correct, sir? That much everyone and the more number of things. Yes or no, sir? That's the point will happen. That the application is not particular time. Thing like 19th over completed. 19th over tanka, it's fine enough. 20 GB is fine enough. In 19th hour, all 20 GB got full. Chances are there. Yes or no? Correct? More number user login. In 19th hour, memory got full. Complete distortion is coming now. Correct? It's getting disconnected. Now only one option. What we need to do? We need to increase the memory. Yes or no, sir? Yes or no? We need to increase the memory to resolve the issue. To increase the memory, to increase the RAM. Okay? To increase the RAM, we know. Okay, before that, I should tell you one thing. Before Jio Cinema, how they got the contract? BCCI is the owner of Indian cricket, right? Correct, right? BCCI gave the contract to Jio to broadcast it. How that was, sir? Correct, sir? BCCI. If you take the normal company also, I am working for HCL Technologies. I am working for Mercedes-Benz project, sir. Mercedes-Benz project. Mercedes-Benz project is the owner. They give the contract to HCL to provide a service. Infosys, HCL, Capgemini, Accenture, these all are service providers. They don't have their own product. They take in contract from other companies, they are providing service. Mercedes-Benz, Akamai, that all product based. Getting my point, sir? They are BCCA bando product company. They give contract to Jio to provide the IPL service correctly. IPL service correctly, they give service. Now, 19th hour, 20 GB got full, sir. Another 1 hour, only 6 ball. Another 6 ball only pending. Memory become full. It's not at all displaying. It complete distortion. Now I need to increase the RAM. Memory. This is got full, sir. Memory got full. RAM become full. No other option. We need to increase that. No. In your laptop, sir, if you change, you want to any of the hardware, can you able to replace your hardware without shutdown? If you want to change battery, RAM, CPU, are you able to replace without shutdown? Yes or no? No. No other situation. RAM increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ server shut down ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Jio Cinema server should be shut down. At least now some disturbance is there. If you shut down, complete service only down. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? At least some disturbance is there now. If you shut down, complete service only down. To replace RAM, power on, then test it. It will take at least 30 minutes. RAM add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Power on. Then you test it working or not. At least 30 minutes. Presentation also will be completed. Yes or no, sir? 19th hour I am happening here. 19th hour RAM will become full. In this case, if you do replacement of physical RAM, server will be completely served. You can do it, but time is up. Time will be up. Correct? In this critical position only, this plays a major role. SAP memory. You understand my point or not, sir? When you are using mobile application, what are the things, sir? You can't assume this application consume this much only. Facebook will consume this much only. Twitter will consume this. You can't tell. Right now, how much consume you can tell. But future it will consume this much only. You can't tell, sir. As the number of user increases, as the user increases, automatic CPU and memory will consume. Correct? The memory full agya 20 GB. 19th hour. 6 ball. Another around 5 minutes only. Only 5 minutes, 1 hour. Yes, sir. For this, I can't increase. If you want to increase the physical RAM, I need to shut down. Shut down means server only down. Service down. Then I will not be able to. Then BCCL will charge penalty to Jio. Actually, BCCL should give money to Jio because they are providing service. If you are not providing service correctly, Jio need to pay penalty to BCCI. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಏನೋ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ರಿಫಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? Correct? In this critical position, we can't assume when RAM becomes full, sir. So SAP is the important thing. What is SAP memory? SAP memory is a temporary memory or a virtual memory. Whenever physical RAM becomes full, to run the process temporarily, SAP memory will be used. I repeat once again, SAP memory is a temporary memory or a virtual memory. Whenever physical RAM becomes full, are almost getting utilized, swap memory will be used to run the process temporarily. To run the process temporarily. It will be very much useful during neck bottom situation. I want to run only for 5 minutes or 2 minutes. How much helpful, sir? Yes? No. Swap memory is a temporary memory or virtual memory. When a physical RAM becomes full or almost getting utilized, swap memory will be used to run the process temporarily. The swap memory will be automatically configured during OS installation. Okay? Swap memory will be defaultly 2 times of physical RAM. Swap memory will be defaultly 2 times. Physical RAM is 20 GB. Physical RAM 20 GB. The swap memory will be should be minimum of 40 GB. Should be minimum of 40 GB. Sir? No. Physical RAM is 20 GB. Default swap memory 40 GB is correct? There is a particular case, sir, like last match, like India and Pakistan match only will take 20 GB become full 40 GB. 40 GB. This 40 GB also become full. There can be case, sir. There can be physical RAM full agide. Default swap memory 40 GB is no, it got completely full. In this case, what to do? We can add the additional swap also. We can at any time, any moment, we can configure the additional swap. There is no restriction, no limitation in that one. Artha agtidyಾ? Yes? There is no restriction on this thing. Anytime we can add it. Correct? But how to add it, I am going to tell you in future. Not now. That's a separate concept. Understand my point, sir? Any doubt? You can take Amazon Big Day also, sir. Amazon Big Day, 3 hours, 4 hours, they give pixel day, sir. 9 to 12, you consider. 9 to 11:45 is working very much super. Last 15 minutes, the memory becomes full. At the time, how much it is helpful. Understanding my point? Got it, sir? Any confusion? Yes or no? No. Silence, I won't understand, sir. No. I can't read face also, please. I require the vocal. Understanding? Yes? No. Yes. Okay. I repeat once again. Free command show the memory details of server. It has a 2-entry physical RAM, swap memory. This is a physical RAM, this is a swap memory. Correct, sir? When our physical RAM becomes full or almost getting utilized, swap memory will be used to run the process temporarily. If you run the process temporarily. Understand this point? Sure? How to know the partition details of your server? How to know the partition details? As you have a Windows server, you have C drive, D drive, B drive. C drive, D drive, E drive, here, right? As it is in Linux server, only one hard disk you have in your laptop. In your laptop, one hard disk is there. One hard disk divided into C drive, D drive. Some person has C drive only. Some person will have C drive, D drive. Some person will have C drive, D drive, B drive. It depends upon that during OS installation, how many drives you want to tell, that you need to mention. You mention 3, C, D, E, barata. Mention 2, C and D will come. If you not mention anything, only one C drive. That is the Linux allowing node. What are the partitions available? That's a df-h. You'll be having up to here only. df-h code is df space -h. You'll be having up to here only. Yes, sir? Okay. It is so that the total size. You can. I'll go to Windows first. I'll go to this PC. Please observe, sir. See now. C drive, D drive, F drive. These are total size. User size. Total size, user size. Yes or no, sir? Sorry. Here also getting same thing, sir. Consider this a C drive. Total size. User size. Available size. What is the percentage used? The total size of partition though 16 GB is that. Either use agirado. What is the free space? What is the percentage used? Same thing. Same thing what you're getting in Windows. Here. Total size and user size. Total size and user size. Here also you'll get. Getting my point, sir? DF, but actual command is only DF actually. But what is the difference you'll find? I'll tell you. This is the actual hardcode command. This is right. Here you getting to know how much percentage used. But what is the total size will not come to know. So H is for human readable format. H is for human readable format. So it converts into readable format. This is block section kilobytes block section. H is for human readable. Understand my point? Yes? No? Confusion. Got it, sir? Correct? I'll repeat once again. Uname command will show the which is the OS. Uname-R will show the kernel version of your server. Uname-M will show whether my server is a 64-bit or 32-bit. Uname-A will show all the details. Next we discuss about the who command. Who command will show currently how many users are using my server right now. Correct? Whoami will show the current session login name. Correct? Top command will show the what are the process in your Linux server. Any application, any software, anything you open in your Linux, right? One ID will be assigned from OS. That ID will be unique for that process only. Correct, sir? Now, if you want to come out of the top command after a few seconds, top -b-n1 or n2 or n5, what are the seconds you want to write? Correct, sir? Then we discuss about the free command. Free command show the memory details of your Linux. Correct? Stack memory is a temporary memory or the virtual memory. When a physical RAM becomes full, to run the process temporarily, stack memory will be. Correct? DFFNH will show the partition details of your server. Got my point, sir? Any confusion? Any doubt? Now, who are having installation issues? Come to that. Other people, if you want to practice same command, you can practice. Otherwise, you can go into. Any doubt? Any confusion? Sir, today onwards classes are recording. You can download videos. So another one point I need to tell you. Please. They say this is classroom also I'm recording, sir. Here I also speaking, you also speaking. I'm going to you also sometime. Again, I'm coming back after 1 minute or 2 minutes. Two-side communication, sir. Yes or no? Yes. Correct. They say online classes which I taken before 2.5 years back. Correct. Google Drive videos are there. Correct. That there only I will be speaking. Only 30 to 40 minutes. One video. There you can please check your coordinator. Check your other ping in a group. Check your coordinate. Get the access of that video. Get the you over anyone got the Google Drive videos? Can you repeat? Only two. Google Drive. People who didn't got the Google Drive video access, kindly request your coordinator to. Understand my point? Yes or no? Yes, sir. People who completed, they can wind up for installation. I'll sit with them. I'll complete it. Again, if more also, any doubts, sir? Notes after 1 week. You'll be getting by next week, next Thursday. Clear, sir? Until that, it will recorded. Kindly try to get the notes is with my personal notes, not from Bessel. That notes is more than enough for your all the future. Next 5 to 6 years, no need to refer anything. That guarantee I can give you. Clear my point, sir? Installation will help them while I am issue.